Produced through intensive work and development by Euromak, which carries out its productions in global standards, the washing machines offer ergonomic use with its touch screen. With a drum capacity of 400 liters and a powerful 4-kilowatt motor, it has a washing capacity of 30 kilograms per cycle. Additionally, with its automatic shutdown feature in case of opening during operation, it prioritizes occupational safety. For detailed information about industrial washing machines guaranteeing uninterrupted performance for years with its stainless steel structure, contact our customer service team now.